Managing projects often involves multiple redundant tasks. Here are 6 top-rated AI project management tools that can boost your efficiency. We analyzed over 2 million verified reviews to bring you trustworthy advice. Let's take a quick look at each of the listed tools. Asana's AI features use machine learning to recommend custom fields tailored to each project or team. These recommendations include fields such as priority, stages, costs, or anything specific to your project's needs. You can get Asana for $10 per user per month, billed annually. Birdview uses AI to create optimized project plans, including tasks and resource allocation, based on your project's title and goals. It also has an AI team builder that matches the right team members to your project automatically. Its pricing plans start at $9 per user per month, billed annually. Kanban Tool creates visual boards to organize different projects, workflows, and tasks. Its AI assistant generates the board workflow and card types tailored to a project's purpose. You can get this tool for $6 per user per month, billed monthly. Miro offers a digital whiteboard for discussing ideas, laying out strategies, and carrying out collaborative activities. Then, its AI assistant analyzes the board's content to generate presentations and summaries for quick reference. Miro is available at $8 per user per month, billed annually. Notion includes generative AI capabilities that help brainstorm marketing campaigns, create and edit content, and ask questions to solve writing issues. It can also draft content for you based on provided prompts. Its pricing plans start at $8 per user per month, billed annually. Trello's AI features help create and edit card content on your boards. Just provide a prompt, and it can automatically generate meeting notes, document summaries, or email and marketing copies. You can get Trello for $5 per user per month, billed annually. When choosing an AI project management tool, prioritize its ability to automate daily tasks, such as assigning jobs, scheduling meetings, and generating reports. This reduces your workload and frees up time for strategic work. Also, consider asking your software vendor some questions so that you find a tool that perfectly meets your needs. Inquire about specific AI tool features that cater to your team's project management needs. Check the type of projects and complexities the tool is designed to handle. While at it, check the level of accuracy in AI-generated predictions and content. At Capterra, we base our recommendations on over 2 million verified software reviews. We also have a consolidated software selection criteria. To know more about it, please visit the link in the video description. We hope that we helped you in finding the right AI-enabled project management software. For more details, visit capterra.com. Thank you for watching.